what to expect and not to expect as a newly hired DepEd teacher. Number 1 is introduction. Expect mo na that you will always be introducing yourself to your coworkers, to your students at the same time in some events in your school. Number 2 is hosting. Expect mo na rin na palagi kang kukuning host sa inyong mga inset, sa inyong LAC sessions, and other activities or events sa inyong school. Number 3 is performance. Expect mo na rin na more likely na kukuhanin ka to perform in some of your events in school, specifically sa inyong year-end party. Number 4, more likely, isang araw ka lang magpapakilala sa mga students mo and kinabukasan, diretso turo ka na agad. Number 5, dapat alam mo na yung school forms number 1 hanggang number 10. Isama mo na rin dyan yung mga reports na ASAP isubmit. Next, expect mo na pwede ka mabigyan ng different subject and different load. For example, kung Filipino subject ka, possibly na mabigyan ka ng ESP subject or ng other related subjects. Next, naging kultura na rin namin na magpakain sa aming mga coworkers and colleagues kahit na wala ka pang sweldo. Next, expect mo na rin na merong mga relationship issues and factions na hindi naman natin maiiwasan. Kaya ang advice ko sa iyo, never take side and always maintain a safe position. Now, ano naman yung mga hindi mo dapat i-expect pag pumasok ka na sa DepEd? Number 1, huwag mong i-expect that someone will be spoon-feeding you. Your co-teachers, your master teachers, and your principal will just guide you. Huwag ka na rin munang mag-expect na meron kang uniform allowance, na meron kang cash allowance, meron kang bonus, at ang pinakang huli, huwag ka na munang mag-expect na meron kang sweldo on the next month. Usually, nagkakaroon tayo ng sweldong mga bago ng 1 to 1.5 month. But in my case, nakasweldo tayo in our 3rd month. Instead of saying good luck, because I know that good luck is for the unprepared, I would like to congratulate you, teachers, for your endeavors at DepEd.